Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to delete saved passwords from Google Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open Settings, then go to Security and Privacy. From here, just tap on More Security Settings, then tap on Passwords, Passkeys and Autofill. From here, just tap on Google, then tap on Google Password Manager. And from here, you can select the password which you want to delete. For an example, if you want to delete a specific password, just tap on it, then enter your lock screen PIN. And from here, just hit delete. Now just select delete. And this is how you can delete a specific password. But if you want to delete all the passwords in your Google Password Manager, just tap on the settings icon, then tap on delete all. Now from here, just select delete. Now if you go back, now just tap on Google Password Manager. And this is how you can delete passwords from Google Password Manager on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.